This is Brett from Montavilla Sewing Centers talking about our new grand opening at the Mill and Fabric stores. We have over 40,000 square feet of sewing machine and sewing stuff. This is great. This is everything you could want as a sewer. Let me show off to you our new store. Come with me. We have anything from lower end machines that start at $189 here, sergers. We have embroidery machines, quilting machines, and multi-needles. Now, we were gonna have a sale for a grand opening, and this is gonna be 5 days long, the 27th through the 31st. This is available at all of our stores, so you're gonna want to come into one of these stores. This is the time to get a machine, but a great time for getting notions and accessories and things like that too. Also at this time, we have the passport to prizes, where you go to each of our stores and you get a stamp, come in here and you win fabulous prices in our grand opening celebration, which is 12 to 3 on January 31st here in the Milwaukie store.